Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sathe and today I am going to do angel card reading for the coming week, that is from 5th April 2021 to 11th April 2021. So I have already placed 3 cards in front of you. This is group number 1, this is group number 2 and this is group number 3. You just have to look at the sketch pens and select one color intuitively for yourself, and that is your group for this coming week. So I have already selected 3 cards for each group. This is what blessings angels are showering upon you, what actions you can take in the coming week, and how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. I have mentioned timing for each group in the description column. You can check and directly watch video for your group. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. No, conditions aren't favorable right now. Wait or look into options and ask angels to help, guide and comfort you. So group 1, this card has come in blessing. That means angels are telling you that whatever options you are seeking for your situation or whatever options you are planning to opt for your situations aren't favorable to you. And angels are going to shower upon you different options or different possibilities for the same situation, and you just have to be open to receive help of angels in the coming week, so that you will be able to explore different possibilities for your current situation. Now let's see what actions angels are guiding you to take. Leap of faith. Take risk and put your heart's true desire into action. So angels are guiding you that whatever situation you are in currently and whatever action you are thinking of taking on that situation, angels are going to tell you to wait and look for the different possibilities which they are showering upon you, and trust that whatever possibilities will show up, angels are showing up those possibilities, and have faith in universe and opt those options instead of whatever you are currently thinking, and that will help you to manifest your desire into action. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in this situation in the coming week. Orange calcite. Wow. So orange calcite is related to your sacral chakra, and that is related to creativity or exploring possibilities, creating, giving birth to new ideas. So orange calcite will help you to explore possibilities for your situation. That way you will be able to connect with universe and connect with angels, and you will start receiving their guidance about what else is possible. So call upon orange calcite to help you for opening up new possibilities. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. Have faith and hope, because there is something positive and new on the horizon that you can't see yet. So group 2, angels are telling you that whatever you have asked for in this situation is coming true, and something positive is going to happen in the coming week. It's just that you have to have faith that it is coming true. Maybe it will not show up as you are expecting it to show up, and that's why you are unable to figure out what's happening. But trust that universe is working on your desires. Angels are working on your desires, and they are blessing you with some different possibilities than you expected to manifest your desires. Now let's see what action group 2 can take in the coming week. Infinite supply. You are supplied for today and all of your tomorrows. So, angels are telling you that there is abundance in the universe of everything. So, whatever you have planned for your desires to come true, it might not show up in that way, but it will show up in some other way. So, angels are telling you to just have faith in the abundant supply of the universe. And if you are somewhere operating from scarcity or lack, then take some actions towards believing in the infinite supply of the universe. Maybe you can practice gratitude. Gratitude is the easiest way to connect with the universal abundance. So be grateful for everything and you will get connected to infinite supply of the universe. Now let's see how crystal spirit can guide you in the coming week or help you in the coming week. Amethyst. So amethyst is a you can say master healer crystal, and it is related to your third eye and crown chakra. So to believe in abundance of the universe or to explore more possibilities, amethyst will help you to connect with the universal consciousness. So call upon amethyst to connect to the universal consciousness and show you different possibilities available in the universe. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3. New psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Allow your spiritual gift to open up through study, prayers and meditation. So in group 3, angels are blessing you with new spiritual experiences. They are going to open up your receiving, or they are going to connect you with the universal consciousness, and they are telling you to make this connection stronger. You can start praying or meditating or gain knowledge about connecting with the universe, because angels will be able to tell you through the signs which you understand. So if you are if you study more about these experiences, or if you study more about your increasing your knowledge, then angels will be able to communicate with you in an easier way. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming week. Undying love. The love you have shared is eternal, regardless of the situation. So, are you being too harsh on yourself? Then angels are telling you to start loving yourself more. Start connecting with yourself, because they are going to send you messages through your meditations or prayers. And to receive those messages along with knowledge, you need to connect with yourself. And to connect with yourself, you will have to start loving yourself more. And take some actions regarding self-love. Now let's see how Crystal Spirit Guide can help you in the coming week. Watermelon Tourmaline. So watermelon tourmaline stimulates heart. It is related to your heart chakra. So to love yourself unconditionally and to improve your connection, psychic connection or spiritual connection, watermelon tourmaline will help you. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? So this was the card reading for coming week. If you like this video, please hit like button and share it with your family and friends. Let this video reach to more and more people. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.